Hey Lucas, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on August 15th. What about you?
Mine is on April 22nd. Do you usually celebrate your birthday?
Yeah, I always try to do something special. Sometimes I have a small party at home, and sometimes I go out for dinner with my family. What about you?
I love celebrating my birthday. I usually have a big party with friends and family.
That sounds fun. Where do you usually celebrate?
It depends. Sometimes I celebrate at home, and other times I go to a restaurant or a beach house. Where do you like to celebrate?
I usually celebrate at home or at a friend's house. I like small gatherings with close friends and family.
Who do you usually invite to your birthday?
My family, close friends, and sometimes coworkers. Do you invite a lot of people?
Yes, I love having a big celebration, so I invite friends, family, and sometimes even neighbors.
Nice. What kind of food and drinks do you have at your birthday parties?
I usually have pizza, snacks, and a big birthday cake. For drinks, I serve sodas, juice, and sometimes cocktails. What about you?
I like having a barbecue or ordering Mexican food. And of course, I always have a chocolate cake. It's my favorite.
Oh, I love chocolate cake too. Do you receive a lot of gifts on your birthday?
Yeah, my friends and family always give me something nice. What about you?
Yes, I usually get lots of gifts. My family knows I love perfume and books, so they always get me those.
Nice. What has been the best birthday gift you've ever received?
I think it was a surprise trip to the mountains from my best friend. It was an unforgettable birthday. What about you?
The best gift I ever got was a guitar. I love playing music, so it was really special.
That's amazing. Have you ever had a surprise birthday party?
Yes, my friends threw me a surprise party last year, and I had no idea. Have you ever had a surprise party?
Yes, once my family organized a big surprise party at my favorite restaurant. I was so shocked.
Wow, do you like surprises?
Yes, I love surprises, but I also like to plan my own parties sometimes. What about you?
I like small surprises, but I prefer to know the plan in advance.
Have you ever had a birthday that you didn't celebrate?
Yes, one year I was traveling for work, so I didn't have time to celebrate. What about you?
Yeah, one year I was sick, so I just stayed home and didn't celebrate. It was a little sad, but my friends made it up to me later.
That's nice. If you could celebrate your birthday anywhere, where would it be?
I would love to celebrate my birthday in Paris. It's my dream city. What about you?
I think I'd love a beach party in the Caribbean. Just sun, sand, and good food.
That sounds perfect. Well, when your birthday comes, let me know. I'll help you plan something fun.
Same for you. We should celebrate together one day.
That would be awesome.